This brief tutorial will give you an idea of how to download and install the Smart Notebook software. So if you click on the link to Smart Tech, it'll take you here to this page inside a browser, new window. So you go to Smart Notebook Collaborative Learning Software and you'll choose the latest version of it. So you'll see that there are previous versions. So if you actually have an older computer, you might have to go something a little older and lighter. So the new ones are 2014. So I'm going to download 2014 from Mac. It's going to take me to this page here. And we'll just X out of that. Okay, so we just hit the download key button. It's going to allow you to have the demo, right? So there'll be a trial version, and it's going to last 90 days, so you get 3 months out of it. So I'm going to click continue to download. Mine's a Mac, so it's going to come down as a binary file. So we'll just let that download for a second. Okay, so after 10 minutes it's downloaded. Depending on your connection, that can vary. It's going to go through install. And then we find it's in a window in the background. And double click on that. Going to continue, going to let it run. Continue. Of course, you'll want to read the license agreements, but if you choose not to, you can press continue. And you'll agree with the terms and conditions. Continue. Okay, so here's where things get more interesting. So for the context that you'll be working with in this class, you need the Smart Notebook. You don't need the response system because you don't have a class set of clickers to work with during this class. Definitely need the product drivers, so that's why they're kind of stuck in there. And the common files you'll probably want because that's the libraries that I'll be dealing with in the course. As far as handwriting recognition goes, you really don't need that. So just the ones that came stock, checked off. It should be Smart Notebook, Smart Product Drivers, and common files. So then I'll hit continue, and then install. Of course, I have another layer of stuff to do. And I will continue. That's just agreeing with the fact that you have a 90-day trial license until it expires. Maybe I'll minimize a few things. Okay, you might get a pop-up screen like this. So the following applications will be closed. So Smart Ink, because I actually have it running somewhere else. So I'll continue, and that'll force close the application. And as it writes the files, it says 7 minutes, so we'll come back to that in 7 minutes again. Okay, so it's running the package scripts at this point, so it says it's down to a minute. And then we should get a summary that the installation has been successful. Okay, so sure enough, we get the installation was successful. That means it has been installed. Now it should be listed in your applications. This of course is a Mac setup, so you go to your start menu if you're using Windows, and you'd kind of look for the same thing. So you see there's a Smart Technologies folder here, and then the notebook software will be this blue one.